going to show you about how to use a Groovy. Okay, we have here the Groovy code compiler also for you that to make you learn more easy. To improve your learning, we have Groovy code compiler. Okay, now you can use this code compiler and see and analyze this. Okay, now here you can see lots of code compiler are here and Groovy is one of them. Okay, now let's learn something about Groovy programming language also, and we will see how what does this Groovy programming language means. Okay, uh, can you tell me details details about Groovy, Programming, Language. And now it will provide all the required details about the Groovy programming language so that we can easily understood about this and how it was formed. Okay, it has provided us all the detail about the Groovy, pure dynamic Groovy is slower than the Java. Okay, install SDM and install Groovy collection. Okay, we'll just discuss about this. Okay. Now here are the pros and the cons of using Groovy also. Now let's discuss it the first. Okay, here is the concise overview of Apache Groovy. Okay, it is based, okay, Java virtual machine with optical typing and a concise Java like syntax. Its syntax just look like a Java with the various libraries and the framework. Okay, now low ceremony compared to the Java, fewer parentless boilerplate also. Dynamic feature when you want to them, static typing and the completion when you use safety and speed. Excellent for the glue code and automation on Java virtual machine. Optional typing dynamic by default. Set type when desired. Okay. A closure first class function in higher order collection method. Now you can learn much more about this, and if you are facing any issue, then here is just a chatbot for you. The chatbot will provide all the thing that you needed. Okay, now here after that Groovy we have JCL, Haskell, TCL, Lula, ADA, Common Lisp, D, Elixir, Erlang, App Sharp also, then Fortran, Assembly, Scala also, PHP, Python, to also C Sharp, Ruby, Paul. Okay, I'll provide you all the details and we'll learn the coding tutorial about this also. Here is Groovy. And I have made a tutorial about Groovy also. Here is basic syntax. Now Groovy syntax here, Groovy comment, Groovy variables, Groovy data types, Groovy string also, Groovy number, Groovy boolean. Okay, and if you want much more information, then you can open it on new tab and search about this. Okay, now when you open about this and search, okay, now here are all the details. Okay, if you want so much more information, then Groovy syntax, you just search about the Groovy syntax, copy this one, then go here and paste this and it will provide all the required details. The response time is quite slower, but it provide the good response than on another devices also. Okay. Okay, now it has provided us all the details about that thing. Okay, now if you want much more thing about this, then you can use our um, AI chatbot also. It will provide all the details. Here is control closure method in classes, also a collection, GDK highlighting also, now file JSON XML also, exception handling, ASC transformation and Turing, Groovy tutorial and the tips also. Here we will now it has provide all the details, calls, equality, also list, differ. No semicolon needed, dynamic typing with diff also. Now number integer also, string also, calls, shape, navigation, evils bar, spread dot also, X, membership, X in list, okay, regex also compare. Now you can learn about much more thing about this. Just go here and learn about this, okay. Hope all of you have understood about this. Have a great day.